Hello, you are welcome. Today we have to solve the most interesting math problem, that is x to the power of 1 over 10 plus x to the power of 1 over 15 plus x to the power of 1 over 30 is equal to 84, and we have to find the value of x. So solution, the question is x to the power of 1 over 10 plus x to the power of 1 over 15 plus x to the power of 1 over 30 is equal to 84. We have to solve this interesting question by very easy method. Now, to solve this, here x to the power of this 1 over 10, this is also equal to 3 divided by 30. Here 3 divided by 30 is equal to 1 over 10 plus x to the power of 1 over 15, this is also equal to 2 divided by 30. 2 divided by 30 is equal to 1 over 15 plus x to the power of this 1 over 30, and this is equal to 84. Now, in the next step, x to the power of 3 times 1 over 30, which is equal to 3 over 30, plus x to the power of 2 times 1 over 30 plus x to the power of 1 over 30 is equal to 84. Here 3 times 1 over 30 is equal to 3 over 30, and here 2 times 1 over 30 is equal to 2 divided by 30. So these both are the same cases. Now in the next step, we can write this as a x to the power of 1 over 30 and to the whole power of this 3 plus x to the power of 1 over 30 and to the whole power of this 2 plus x to the power of 1 over 30, which is equal to 84. Now here, to solve this interesting question, let's suppose let this x to the power of 1 over 30, this is equal to y. Now we have to substitute x to the power of 1 over 30 with y. So this will become, here this will become y to the power of 3 plus here square, so here this will become y square plus y is equal to 84. Now in the next step, to solve this interesting question, we have to move this 84 to the left side, so this will become y to the power of 3 plus y square plus y minus 84, which is equal to 0. Y to the power of 3 plus y square plus y minus, we know that this 84 is also equal to 64 plus 16 plus 4. 64 plus 16 plus 4 is equal to 84, which is equal to 0. Now y to the power of 3 plus y square plus y, we have to multiply this minus this negative sign inside, so this will become minus 64 minus 16 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Now in the next step, y to the power of 3 plus y square plus y minus this 64 is also equal to 4 to the power of 3 minus this 16 is equal to 4 square minus 4 is equal to 0. To solve this interesting question, here this will become y to the power of 3, y to the power of 3, and we have to here minus 4 to the power of 3 plus y square, and here minus 4 square plus y, and here minus 4, which is equal to 0. Now to solve this interesting question, here for this we have to use this cubic identity, which is a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. This is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, and for this we have to use this identity a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So here we have to use these two identity. For this we have to use this cubic identity, and for this we have to use this identity. So to apply this identity, this will become to apply this will become y minus 4 times y square plus 4y plus b square mean 4 square, which is equal to 16 plus, and for this we have to use this identity. So this will become y plus 4 times y minus 4 plus y minus 4 which is equal to 0. Now to solve this interesting question, here this y minus 4, this y minus 4 and this y minus 4 are common, so we have to take y minus 4 common. So y minus 4, this is common, so here this divided by y minus 4, this is here, this is equal to y square plus 4y plus 16, and here plus this divided by this, so here y plus 4 left, y plus 4, and this divided by this, here 1 left, so plus 1 which is equal to 0. Now in the next step to solve this interesting question, here y minus 4 and here y square and here plus 4y plus y is equal to 5y, 16 plus 4 plus 1, this is equal to 21, so 21 which is equal to 0. Now here we obtain two cases. The case number first is y minus 4 is equal to 0, and the case number second is y square plus 5y plus 21 is equal to 0. We have to solve this by discriminant formula, that either it gives a real solution or a complex solution. So for this we have to use the discriminant formula. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 21. So here discriminant is equal to, here b is equal to 5. So 5 square minus 4 times 1 times c is equal to 21. Now discriminant is equal to 5 square is equal to 25 minus 4 times 21. This is equal to 84. Now in the next step, discriminant is equal to 25 minus 84. This is equal to minus 59, which is equal to 0. So this shows that this gives a complex solution, no real solution. So this does not go, no real solution, so this is rejected. Now we have to solve the case number first. The case number first is y minus 4 is equal to 0. So here y is equal to 4. Now we know that, remember, x to the power of 1 over 30, this is equal to y. Now we have to put the value of y 4 here, so this will become x to the power of 1 over 30 is equal to 4. Now we have to multiply both sides by 30, so here x to the power of 1 over 30 times 30, which is equal to 4 to the power of 30. So here this 30 cancel this 30, so x is equal to 4 to the power of 30. So now this is the answer and the value of x. This is our answer. Now we have to check either this answer is correct or not. To check this, we know that the question is x to the power of 1 over 10 plus x to the power of 1 over 15 plus x to the power of 1 over 30 is equal to 84. Now we have to put the value of x as 4 to the power of 30. So this will become 4 to the power of 30 and time this 1 over 10 plus 4 to the power of 30 time this 1 over 15 plus x to the power of, sorry, this is 4 to the power of 30 times 1 over 30, which is equal to 84. Now in the next step, 10 times 3 is equal to 30 and 15 times 2 is equal to 30, and here this 30 cancel with this 30, so here 4 to the power of 3 plus here 4 square plus here 4 left, which is equal to 84. Now here 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 64 plus 4 square is equal to 16 plus this 4 is equal to 84. Now 64 plus 16 plus 4, this is equal to 84, which is equal to 84. This shows that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So here the value of x, which is 4 to the power of 30, is the correct answer of this interesting question. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.